I challenge you to stop comparing yourself and your life to others for an entire week. Let's see if you can find the true happiness. Happiness is something we all strive for, yet it often seems elusive. We always get messages telling us we need to be better, have more, and achieve greater things. And at the heart of it all is comparison. We compare our life to others, and in doing so, we decline and diminish our own happiness. When we compare ourselves to others, we set ourselves up for feelings of inadequacy. We start to believe that we are not good enough, that we are not doing enough, and that we are not enough. And these feelings can be crushing. They can lead to a never-ending cycle of negativity, where we are constantly focusing on what we lack rather than what we have. We start to believe that the grass is always greener on the other side. We think if we just had what someone else has, we'd be happy. But the truth is, happiness doesn't come from external sources.